What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Tim Aslan here. I just wanted to come in, make a quick impromptu video. So let me know if you like these shorter impromptu video styles. I'm going to keep this one right at about 5 to 7 minutes. Just a quickie right here, give you guys a quick market update. So based on the last video, you guys saw that we were around this area in the last video, and I mentioned it would be a quick move up and then down, which is exactly what we got. However, to be quite honest, in the video, we had these targets up here at 24.2 and it got front run. So I'm not gonna lie to you or anything. We didn't get in on this trade, sadly. But most of us were short from the top anyway, so it didn't matter. But this would have been a beautiful point to add, because look at that dump. I mean, literally dropped like 5% within minutes. Yeah, 8% there. So would have been a really, really nice trade, but we just got front run. Maybe it was a flat here. That's one alternative. I was kind of thinking like something like this. And as you can see, it hit that 100% really nice. So this whole interior little chop was really ugly, hard to count. So that's why we couldn't get in right here, sadly. However, it's okay. There's going to be another trade, and that's why I'm here. So we do have this as a ABC W, some kind of ABC X, and then now we're still building the A of what we think is the Y leg. So we are expecting some kind of maybe another high here, drop, another one, and then drop. So essentially a 5-wave move. It looks like we have 3 waves so far. This is a 4. Then we're going to do another 5. Then we need a ABC for a B wave, and then a C wave down for Y. So what areas are we looking at? These fibs down here, the 100% at 21,370 and the 1.23 at 20,761. And then it is important to note, which is kind of nice, that the 382 of the entire move, which is the minimum of a B wave, is right at that 21,568 level. So these lower fibs would make that valid. We did kind of hit the 618, but it's super ugly on this WXY. Like, look at that. It's super disrespectful of the fib, and it's not minimum 382. So we don't think that's as important, maybe for a slight move up, like we mentioned, but then ultimately lower. And then one other quick important thing right here before I let you guys go is I'm not sure how familiar you guys are with fib time, but fib time is really important for being patient and measuring corrections. And so to do that, we go to the trend-based fib time tool right here. We do the bottom of wave 1 and then the top of wave 5 and then double click. And what this tells us is that the correction of the potential B wave should not be complete until this first 382 minimum, which is on March 28th. You can see down here, March 28th. So that means we still have a long time to go. I think this whole month is just going to be corrective up, corrective down, and it's really going to take its time. So we're kind of expecting this WXY to, let's say it completes next week, for example. Then that would be maybe a W, and then do another X, and then another Y lower. So this whole thing will probably be a bigger correction that just takes its time. But that's actually good for us, because let's say we catch this long up here and it does another correction, boom, 15 to 17% move. Then we catch that short, boom, another 15% move. So we're going to play this in both sides. We're going to have our hedges set up just in case we are wrong and it just blasts off. So in this swing trading method that we do, we really catch all the extremes, which allows us to be ready for any type of different type of move, right? So like, for example, we caught this short up here, right? So let's say we're wrong about this whole correction and we just dumped to 10K right now. Good, we're in, right? Then we catch this long down here. Let's say we're wrong about another low. Okay, fine. We go to freaking 30K. We're good, right? So that's how you just really catch the moves. You get the meat of the moves. Just trade the extremes. Pay attention to your RSI. I mean, this is a 4 hour. We're pretty low on it in the oversold territory, so we might make some nice divergence when we get down here. So look out for that. Just simple little things like that, and take your time. We have a long month ahead of us. I don't expect too much crazy, big pumps, big dumps. I think the moves will be more corrective and slow and drawn out. But we will get stuff like this when Bollinger Bands squeeze, nice pumps down like that, and that's what we're really waiting for. So I don't expect too much over the weekend. Maybe some scam pumps, scam dumps. Just be patient. Just wait for our entries, and we'll see you in the next video, guys. Thanks.